Hey, so I am going to take you through a quick tutorial, sewing tutorial. I don't do a lot of sewing tutorial videos, but I wanted to do this one because I think it's an excellent project for any sewing teacher. It's how to make one of these adorable little pin cushions that you can take on and off your sewing machine. It really prevents lots of pins on the floor, lots of pins just where you don't want them. You're teaching a sewing class, kids are sewing, adults are sewing, and they can literally take it out and put it in, and they don't have to bring their standalone pin cushion back and forth from the table to the sewing machine. So we've got these on every single sewing machine. I'm going to quickly take you through how to make it. All right, here are the supplies. A scrap of fabric, not very big. Scissors, a safety pin, some elastic, roughly 12 inches, and, of course, a handful of stuffing. All right, here we go. We've got our piece of fabric, this big. I'm folding it in half with right sides together. I'm going to cut it smaller, probably like the size of a candy bar. I don't know. There's two pieces. No sides are folded anymore. I've cut all the edges, and then I'm now going to sew three sides. Two of the long sides, one of the short sides. Here we go. And turn it right side out, just with my fingers. Oh, well, maybe I'll use my scissors. Turn it right side out. Maybe it's a little skinnier than the other one, but that doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all. Then we're going to stuff the stuffing inside. Then we're going to turn the ends, or push the ends in so they're not raw. You're going to just take the end of your elastic, put it inside, stick a pin in there, sew it. Don't sew over your pin. As you can see, I like to go back and forth. Pull it off, put it around. Oops. I can do this. Okay, put it around, open your safety pin, clip it on there, and then look. Perfect. So I'm just going to quickly demonstrate why this is such a cool thing. You're teaching a class, your students are sewing, their project is all pinned, as it should be, because you teach people how to pin before they sew, right? And you come to the pin. You pull it out, rather than putting it on the desk in front of you or worrying about that you don't have the pin cushion from the table. You just